everyone, and welcome to the CONS3RT Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to clone a system. If you would like to review the process for creating a system, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Cloning allows you to make a copy of a system, scenario, or deployment that you will be able to edit and rename without overwriting the original asset. So find the asset in question, in this case a system, make your way to its overview page, and select the Clone button in the upper right. Once you have confirmation that the clone system has been added to the builder, click the green number box next to Systems, and go through the system creation process. You can change nothing about the clone system except the name, or you can drastically alter it by changing its operating system or system settings. Review and finish, and you have successfully cloned a system. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the CONS3RT Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, cons3rt.com/kb, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@cons3rt.com. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using CONS3RT.